Hey everybody, I'm Aaron at Turnage Motors in Lexington, 4637 Augusta Road, ConfidentCashCars.com. I have yet another Jeep Liberty here. I sell these little things one after another. They're good little SUVs. I guess they're just attractive to people, and they are solid enough, and they're super cheap. This is a 2006 Jeep Liberty, 3 owners, no accidents in the history. Been fully serviced at our repair shop, Turnage Auto Care Center, already. It has 169,000 miles on it. Beautiful paint, beautiful body. I mean, the exterior is excellent, except for, as you can see, the faded plastic bumpers. They can be restored with different products, but you can see that the bumpers are faded. And of course, the steel wheels, the paint is coming off of them real bad. But this Jeep has been fully serviced and inspected. It has no mechanical problems. It runs very smooth. It has cold AC, hot heat, great tires, no oil leaks. What I would call fully Turnage certified. That means it's been through my hands, it's been through my shop's hands, and then it's been through my hands again. So triple inspection process. Very good condition. Interior is very nice, very clean. 169,500 miles. Radio, CD player, cold AC, power windows, cruise control, working horn. Got a little delamination of the stuff there in the mirror, but perfect dash, very clean carpets. There's a little bit of a spot right there where the seat is starting to split. Back seat is great. A couple light stains if you look closely, but not bad. And be sure to check out our website, ConfidentCashCars.com, for more pictures. I usually take close-ups of imperfections so that if I've missed it on the video, you can see it there. Got a little fading going on in this plastic here. So very nice, clean little SUV. If you're looking for something for your teenager, your college student, or just something for yourself to get around on the cheap, this little Jeep should do it. A Jeep on the cheap. Give us a call at 803-853-4300 or ConfidentCashCars.com.